Social Studies Weekly, Week 20. Scientists and Inventors. Scientists and inventors have changed the world in big and small ways. The Wright brothers changed the way people travel. They created airplanes. Alexander Graham Bell changed the way people communicate when he invented the telephone. George Washington Carver showed people better ways to grow crops and created hundreds of uses for peanuts. In 1905, Madam C.J. Walker invented a new way to take care of African American women's hair. Benjamin Banneker studied the stars and planets. He predicted a solar eclipse would happen on April 14, 1789, and he was right. Margaret Mattie Knight was only 12 when she started inventing things. In 1868, she invented a machine to make paper grocery bags. Benjamin Franklin is famous for his experiments with electricity. He also invented bifocals, which are eyeglasses, and the first lightning rod. Carlos Finlay was a Cuban doctor who helped prove that mosquitoes carry yellow fever. Did you know Thomas Edison created more than 1,000 inventions? He invented the light bulb, the film projector, and the phonograph. A phonograph is a machine that records sounds and plays them back. Some inventions were discovered accidentally. One day, Ruth Wakefield wanted to make chocolate cookies, but she didn't have the right kind of chocolate. So she chopped up a chocolate candy bar and stirred it into the cookie dough. The bits of chocolate didn't melt, and the chocolate chip cookie was born. When Benjamin Franklin and Benjamin Banneker were young, America was a new country. What did kids do for fun back then? There were no televisions or video games. Children played games like hopscotch, tag, and hide and seek. They also played with kites and yo-yos. Let's start the test. Number 1. Which of these things did Alexander Graham Bell invent? A, the light bulb, B, an airplane, or C, the telephone? Number 2. Dr. Carlos Finlay proved that yellow fever was carried by what insects? A, bees, A, bees, B, flies, or C, mosquitoes? Number 3. George Washington Carver discovered hundreds of uses for what nuts? A, peanuts, B, almonds, C, walnuts? Number 4. The brothers who invented the airplane were Orville and Wilbur A. Franklin, B, Wright, C, Graham? 5. Which of these things did Thomas Edison not invent? A, bifocals, B, light bulb, C, phonograph? Number 6. Games and toys children played years ago included A, hopscotch and tag, B, kites and yo-yos, or C, both A and B? Number 7. Write the best answer on the line. What sweet treat did Ruth Wakefield discover? Write your answer on the line right here.